dryer's on, and we have little to no airflow. So we're gonna take a measurement. Air speed here. Yeah, that's pretty much nothing. 0.4 miles per hour. There's a major blockage in there. Here in Summerville, Jedburg rather, South Carolina, Felder Creek. We're gonna take another airflow test when we get done with the cleaning. There's more airflow just in the wind out here than there is coming off the dryer. Yeah, that's really bad. We're gonna get it cleaned though. We just did a dryer vent cleaning and also pulled out a bird's nest out of this dryer duct. We're going to go check the vent again, see what kind of airflow we get. Over 12 miles per hour. Much better. We weren't even reading 1 mile per hour before that.